Basically start off trying with pencils, trying to make her into a manga character. Now, I'm not really a manga expert by any means. I just use it because I actually work on a comic book called the Age of Caissa, which is a chess manga. But I decided to kind of practice and turn Phoebe here into a manga character to kind of exercise those skills. And this was a lot of fun. So I kind of do the pencils, then I move into the inks, and then I move into the color. And you can see this throughout the video.
Why should you never trust atoms? Because they make up everything.
thank you for coming to my channel today to watch another one of my drawing videos. If you just now found me, please sure to subscribe and give that video a like. And there's more stuff to come, you know. And let me know what you guys think in the comments. I appreciate everybody's feedback. Everybody's always so generous and nice and telling me they like my art and what they want me to draw and different things. And I appreciate that, really. So I like making this stuff to please you guys always. So thank you for coming.